Hello guys, so welcome back to the channel, and here is another face, or ballerina I should say, so I shall just get to it. This is how I have been improving my art, and very quickly as well. Specifically, I have been concentrating on faces and bodies. So, excuse me. So, I have been utilising good speed along with geometric and observational methods. If you don't know what they are, please contact me and I will reply to you and let you know, or I can make a separate video showing you what I do. So my thing is, or the area that I need to work on specifically, is less lines and less pressure on the pencil, purely because it's a sketch for the layout and basically to get the drawing down so that you can then go back and do more details afterwards. So the less amount of original layout pencil you get, the better it is, or the less likelihood it will actually show up in the final piece. So reducing the lines has enabled me to reduce the time as well. So these all took 3 minutes each instead of 4 minutes each, and then a minute for an analysis. So yeah, let me know what you think. The first one is the closest to the reference photo, and they are improving, and I'm really happy at the fact that they are improving, and I shall keep going, and let me know what you think, and also if you are utilising these methods, and yeah, let me know how you find them. Thanks guys.